Large grass areas are a mission to control. When they're overgrown and full of weeds, nearly impossible. But with a brush cutter, you can get in, clear areas quickly and effectively. This Ryobi brush cutter really does a great job. The 43cc 2-stroke petrol motor makes easy work of long grass and even thicker brush with the help of the 3-tooth blade. And remember, it's part of the Ryobi professional range, so it's built tough to work hard. It's comfortable to use. The body harness takes all the weight of the machine, leaving you to concentrate on the job at hand. The straight shaft is perfect for cutting long grass areas, while the large tank keeps you going for longer. Some safety features include the safety trigger release, a large cutting guard, a leg guard, and a quick release harness. It also has a centrifugal clutch, so the business end isn't spinning at idle. The machine comes with all the tools you'll need, as well as a mixing bottle for fuel and oil. Overall, a very impressive, hard-working machine. This is just one of the many brush cutters available at Builders. For more, visit the Builders website or follow the YouTube channel.